Hey there, my name is Jamie with Your Guide to Style, and today I wanted to start a new video series and get your opinion on it. And yes, I am starting new video series because you guys are causing all this thinking that I have by all your suggestions and questions that you have. So this series will be a basic series, which means that it gets just down to the basics of certain things in, for your closet, for shopping, for getting dressed, for putting your wardrobe together, all of those things. So they will be very short and sweet videos that just gives you some basic information that you may not think about. And I may not include in other videos because I'm so focused on the details of trying to teach you guys how to style and what trends are available and all that, that sometimes we miss the basics. So I wanted to have this series so whenever you just want to go back to the basics, you can come here to this series. And so I'm going to explain to you a little bit about the topics that I have come up with, and you can tell me what you think of those topics, and you can also make suggestion based on these topics once you start to understand what I mean, and let me know what it is that you would like to see in this series. And think about things that just can be short and sweet videos, and maybe things you've struggled with seasonally. It can be for fall or spring, which I haven't thought about things in the fall that I could just get down to the basics with, but anything that you think of after I give you this list, then please let me know. So I'm just going to read from this list. The first one I want to do is closet basics, and I'm definitely doing this one because I did two videos. Part one was how to clean out your closet, and part two is how to organize your closet. And I had a lot of questions, and they were basic questions that I really did not address in the videos. So one of them was, what do I fold and what do I hang? And what about a dresser or drawer? Or, I didn't include things that you could get for organizing. So I'm going to do just a basic video on the basic things that you need to get started before you organize or clean out your closet. So that's the first one. The second one I want to do is shopping basics. So this is a video that would be how to shop more effectively. I have had a lot of experience in shopping. I consider myself a professional shopper. I do pretty good at finding deals, and I do pretty good at just finding things in general. And so I will give you whatever is in my head that is basic that I think about for shopping online or shopping in store that can be helpful to you. And then outfit basics. What are some formulas you can use to put outfits together to look a little bit more put together? Wardrobe basics. What do you need in your wardrobe that makes it a little bit more versatile and easy to put outfits together? Accessories basics. What are some good basic accessories to have that you can wear over and over again instead of spending a ton of money on a bunch of accessories, and kind of explain how that works. And then jewelry basics would be the same. And then layering basics. How can you layer your clothing, and what are formulas for that, and what looks good? And then jeans and pant hems. So I've had a lot of people say, I get so confused on the hems. I don't know where they should hit my boots, and I don't know what they should look like. And I can explain all that to you. And so I want to do that. That's something that I think I'm definitely going to do because a lot of you have already talked to me about that. And then tailoring basics. What else do you need to look for when you're putting your clothes on? I mean, sleeve lengths and how things fit are important. And so an alterations style video, because I used to manage an alterations department that was in my shop, which you rarely find anymore, but we did. We had 3 alteration ladies that were amazing, and we had a lot of our clothing altered. And so how does that work? Is it really beneficial? And then quality basics. How do you find quality pieces? What does that mean? And then fabrics. Fabric basics, like, do you want to know about materials? There are some things that I do know about materials, other things I might have to research, but I can always do a short and sweet video on that. So whatever the topic that you guys struggle with and are just curious about, let me know. And I would love to provide you with that information in a short and sweet video. And that is what this basic series is all about. So let me know below if you want to give me a thumbs up and you want to tell me you love these topics, please do so. If you don't care about it, let me know that as well. And then let me know anything you do care about that I didn't even mention here that could be a good maybe 8-minute video on something basic that you have personally struggled with or something you just want to know. So that is all for today, and I hope you will respond and let me know some of the things that you guys want to see, and I will talk to you next time.